Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and I have a big bag of favorites for April of 2018. And if you do like me, you like this video, subscribing, thumbs upping, and commenting would mean so much, especially because YouTube's new algorithm sucks. It is what it is. My video views have been like astonishingly low. It's kind of been a little upsetting, I'm not gonna lie. I'm losing my motivation to continue to do videos because I feel like no one's watching them. What's the point? So if you do enjoy watching them, comment, interact, please. That way I could feel I'm actually doing something with a purpose. That being said, let's move on to my favorites. Got some hair care, skincare, makeup, food and stuff, which I left all downstairs, so we'll talk about that at the end. Let's jump right to it. First thing, this is by a brand called Nikeo. This is a Kenyan coffee body scrub. This is a brand exclusively at Ulta. They are owned by Sundial, which is the same company that owns Shea Moisture. And I did a whole review on a few of their products, and this is just a standout for me. First of all, it's a coffee body scrub. It smells so good. It smells like coffee, which I love the scent of. So I'm almost done with it actually. And the coffee, the caffeine in it, helps to firm and tighten your skin, removes any dead skin, leaves me so soft. I've been using this about twice a week. It's really great. What else am I missing? Anything? It also has natural sugar in it, shea butter, baobab oil to really smooth out your skin. But this stuff's really incredible, and it's potent. Like, you really don't need a lot per body area. The one thing is though, you gotta rinse your tub really well because the little granules do get all over, but no big deal. Moving on. Some things I feel are repeats that I've talked about in other favorites, but like my favorites are my favorites. These are what I use, so it is what it is. Royal Curls Anti-Frizz Spray, a holy grail. I notice when I do not use this on my wet hair, which is very rare nowadays because I've become so addicted and in love with it again. Especially as the weather finally gets warmer, yay, and it's starting to get hot and humid, you know, hair kind of frizzes more. This is going to help prevent it. Also has UV protection in it and is also a great refresher on second or and third day hair. I tried to say and or at the same time, and they kind of came out in a whole new world. I'm going to start saying a whole new word, but love it, love it, love it. Continuing on, the Brio Don't Spray Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I'm obsessed with the mask. It's my favorite mask ever. And I've been using this shampoo since it came out once a week in January. I've been using it once a week, every single week. And I didn't know I could love a shampoo so hard. I mean, it's just incredible. It's so moisturizing, but it still lathers. It still leaves my hair clean, even when I work out and I have days worth of dry shampoo up in there. My hair looks silky. Like, the days I use it, it's just, I didn't know like a little shampoo could do so much. Plus it comes in a pump. By the way, if you do like anything from Brio, I have a discount code. I forget if it's 10 or 15%, but that'll be in the description below, along with everything that I've mentioned. There is a list, so if you want to save money and try it. Plus this thing's huge. This is 16 ounces and I use 2 pumps a week. So like 2 pumps a week, 16 ounces, it's gonna last. It usually takes me like 2 years to use up a bottle of shampoo. Since I'm using that one so much, it might take a little less, but it's so big, so not quite as much less. So I have another Royal Curls product in here. This is their Firm Hold Gel. This has just been the gel I've been reaching for more often than any other gel lately. It's in my hair today. This is freshly washed hair. It's like 95% dry. I feel like when I record, my roots are always a tad bit wet, but what are you gonna do? But I just love that this gel really is a firm hold gel. Like, my hair dries in a cast. It dries crunchy and it scrunches out and you get soft, frizz-free, really nice curls and waves underneath. But cannot recommend it, and this line enough. It's a great line. It's silicone-free, sulfate-free, and paraben-free, wheat-free, GMO-free, no animal testing, mostly organic. So yeah, so that's a favorite. They're all favorites. Favorite video. There we go. Continuing on, Diane Tinted Mineral Sunscreen. You know, it's getting warmer. We're going to be spending more times outside. Nonetheless, you need to be wearing sunscreen every single day of the year. SPF 365 for a reason. That way we prevent aging, not prevent aging, but you know, aging gracefully is what I really like to say. Prevent skin cancer. You don't want the sun. It could be really damaging, but I love this sunscreen because it has a matte finish and a little tint, so I could wear this and not wear foundation, and it evens out my complexion, smooths out my pores. But the matte finish looks great in photographs under any foundation because, you know, sometimes SPF can cause a flashback. Comes in a pump, and I have a discount code for this too. Actually, they sent me to share with you guys. And I don't make any commission off it or anything. I don't make commission off the Brio one either. I do get points to the site, but money is not involved. But this one, 10% Diane Mary 10 off any Emme Diane product. Highly recommend this. Great stuff if you have adult acne prone skin. We'll post it below. Moving on, from the Curls Blueberry Bliss line, I've just been loving the Blueberry Bliss line in general. It's been really, I've been reaching for everything a lot, but specifically this Aloe and Blueberry Juice Curl Moisturizer. This is a new full bottle because the other one in my bathroom has like that much left. You'll probably see it, and you will see it in my May empties actually, because I just filmed my April empties right before this video. But this is a great spray to refresh the hair, and I've really been liking it at night. If my hair has been feeling really dry and needs a little moisture before I go to bed, I've just been spraying a little in my hands because it's lightweight. It's not going to weigh my hair down or make my hair greasy, but it's going to quench my hair's thirst. So really enjoying that one. This Sunday Riley, since I finished doing my Diane skincare challenge where I use all her products and nothing else, I've been incorporating a little more Sunday Riley back into my regimen because Sunday Riley is my other favorite skincare brand. And this is the Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. And I really like this mattifying, and it helps with any pimples and breakouts. So I've been using this one in the morning, and I've been using the Diane one at night because that one's really hydrating. And this also comes in a pump, and this is the small size. There's a gigantic size as well, but this came in a kit, and it's just a really nice toner to help oily patches and mattify the skin. Moving on, we have a makeup product by Wander Beauty, which is another one of my favorite makeup brands. I don't know if I didn't talk about makeup yet in this video. I'm saying another one because I just filmed a whole nother video. There you go, guys. But it's what I do. I like set up and I record multiple videos every day. Like, no. Time out. I record multiple videos in one day, so I don't have to record every day. But Wander Beauty, this is the Catch the Light Highlighter and Glotion, and I'm actually putting a highlighter in my favorites. And if you guys don't know, I have really shine-prone combination skin, and highlighters never really excited me. I was like, I skipped them half the time. But this stuff is so cool. I did a blog post on it. I'll post that. It comes with two ends. You have this one end here, which is a stick. And then you have another end, well not an end, but the rest of the component is a lotion. And it really gives a glow, and it doesn't look greasy. I do have it, I don't know if you guys could see, if you see my cheekbones up here, that's not just like shine from oil, that's highlight, and it's really pretty. I took this part, the stick, and I just went like that and rubbed it in. And I really like using the glotion part. I'll take a teeny tiny little bit and I'll put it on my under eyes and apply concealer over it because my dark circles are the darkest circles ever, and it just helps to brighten the area. And you could even use the lotion if you have short sleeves or if you have like shorts or a dress on to help make your legs and arms look nicer. And really, really great stuff. And all Wander Beauty stuff has skincare ingredients inside as well, which I like a lot. Moving on, I've been trying to de-stash my hair care collection because I have a lot of stuff. So I've been revisiting some old favorites on some wash days, and something I came across is the Living Proof Curl Conditioning Wash and Detangling Rinse. And since I ran out of my Curlsmith co-wash, which is my favorite co-wash, and my new one didn't get there yet, I've used this conditioning wash twice, and it's pretty good. I mean, it's kind of pricey for not having a lot of like extracts and botanicals and hair growth ingredients, but it did define my curls and it did moisturize my curls really well. And then this detangling rinse, which is not a conditioner, it helped detangle, and I've just been using them together again. This, I feel I don't necessarily need it, but I want to use it up because I don't want to waste it. But I don't know, I've been enjoying them again. Non-lathering and sulfate-free. I did get a random email from a subscriber saying that this Living Proof curl line is being discontinued. I don't know how true that is or not, but I know someone emailed me, so I guess I'll just say it. But yeah, really not too bad of items over there. Items, hair products, whatever you want to call them. Moving on, I pulled another thing from Wander Beauty, and this is the Wanderlust Powder Foundation. I've been reaching for this quite often. I actually used it today as my finishing powder, and I've been using it just on top of the Diane Tinted Mineral Sunscreen because I find that my skin has been really improving. I don't need as much coverage, and it's talc-free. I believe it's mica-free, skincare ingredients. It doesn't cake or settle into my pores, and I really like the sponge it comes with. And this is fair. I mixed the shades fair and light. I do wish there was a shade between, but nonetheless, I've just been really enjoying it. It's silky, it's not too drying, and yeah, another favorite. More favorites. This was a pickup at Sephora because I ran into Sephora, and I'll talk about this in my Sephora and Ulta, the sale haul once everything comes. But I ran into Sephora, and this was near the near the checkout, you know how they get you with those things you don't think are expensive but kind of are. I mean, this wasn't really bad. This was $10, but this is Pharmacy Honey Butter Beeswax Lip Balm. Heard a lot about this brand. I've seen them on QVC and I've been wanting to try more stuff by them. I do have their salve, which is really nice, but this is really moisturizing. It smells like honey. I've been using this every night, so hey, need a good lip butter. This is by Grande Cosmetics, and this is the Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. I got this, this was in a HSN Today's Special, along with the mascara. When was it? I think it was sometime in February, but I started using this March 1st, and you know, anything that says lash growth, hair growth, you know, you gotta give it time. You can't use it a week and be like, wow, it's miraculous, because let's be real, but considering I've been using it almost 2 months now, I feel like comfortable enough to add it in my favorites and to say, I really think this stuff's making my eyelashes grow longer. This is it, if you could see against the little, all my Lily Pulitzer prints over here. But what you do is at night, after you clean your face, you just apply it like you do a liquid eyeliner. Do it every single night. It's supposed to help your lashes grow. And when I take my mascara and makeup off, my actual lashes are longer than they used to be. I do also use the primer by this brand, which has lash enhancing ingredients in it every day, so that could be helping as well. But yeah, really liking that. This is another product I rediscovered that I love by IT Cosmetics. This is Bye Bye Makeup 3-in-1 Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. I use this because I double cleanse. I'm using this to remove all my makeup. Then I'm going in with the Diane cleanser and my Clarisonic. Smells so good. It has this light citrusy scent. You could see I'm kind of almost out of it. I started this on March 11th, so this will probably be in my May favorites at the rate I'm going, but it just removes makeup so well, and it leaves my skin feeling so soft and so hydrated, and doesn't burn the eyes, doesn't clog the pores. Great stuff. Great stuff. Love me some IT Cosmetics. Okay, we have a few more things. Oh, I did bring both of them. This was the other, this is the Wander Powder Foundation in Light. If you guys want to see the shades real quick, I might as well. Why not show you? It's a long enough video as it is. Alrighty, so here we have the Wander Foundation in Light, which I'm really almost about to hit pan on. You can kind of see at that spot. And this is Fair. Fair, Light. Don't know how great the lighting's going to be to show those accurately, but I tried. So, moving on, we got some more things. This is the Josie Maran Divine Drip Argan Oil and Honey Sleeping Nectar Smoothing Face and Neck Treatment. This was in a Today's Special value on QVC in February, and I think this is a QVC exclusive right now. And it's really potent. It's a really potent, thick cream, and it's supposed to help brighten and firm. And I've been using this about 2 weeks so far, but I really like it. I'm using it from like my boobies to my hairline every single night. I'm taking it, I do upward strokes because it's mainly my neck cream at the moment, and it's supposed to help firm over here, which I have like a hereditary double chin, so I'm always trying to firm it. And I'm using it as my night lotion as well, so it's helping to moisturize the skin, and so far so good. A little goes a long way, and I'll actually have to do a separate review of that, but I am enjoying. Moving on, we have the Tatcha the Silk Canvas. This is a primer. I have to do a full review on this. I have not used it on my complexion yet. I've been using this just as an eyeshadow primer because I have another primer I'm going to get to for my face for now, but this is such a good eyeshadow primer. I feel like the eyeshadows like I put on look more vivid. They stay on all day with no issues, and I really like it. Smells great. All Tatcha's products smell incredible, but you just take it. I just take my hand and I like go like this, tap it on. I tap it on my under eyes too for concealer and foundation because there is skincare benefits, but I do want to use it on my whole face, and I'm going to soon, so there will be a detailed review on this, but liking it on my eyes so far. So the other primer that I want to talk about, and this is the last of my stuff in general. I dropped it. So in general, Pacifica Beauty as a brand, if you've been following me on Instagram, you know it. I've just been loving this stuff. I mean, this is a brand that calls out to me. The packaging is just so fun and bright and pretty. Like, I try to be, well, at least I think I'm fun and bright. Not sure about the pretty part, but, you know, the packaging, it's cruelty-free, there's good ingredients inside, everything smells good, they're eco-conscious. So I've been experimenting with more and more of the brand and really enjoying what I have so far. Oh, I lied, there's one more other makeup item which I'll talk about after, but just anything I've tried. The Pacifica, these are the Pineapple Curls, the mask, and the conditioner, both silicone-free. I reviewed them, I'll post that review. Really been enjoying them. Then we have this primer that I'm going to do a full review on. Actually, I don't know what posting order I'm doing. You might have this blog post in the description. I might have done it already, or it is coming really soon. But this is the Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer, silicone free with wild cherry extract. I've been using this as my complexion primer, and I've been using it for a while to test it out. I've been using it 2 weeks now, which is why I haven't used this primer yet. Because when I use skincare, I really do, even if it's makeup, like to try to use it 2 to 3 weeks before really messing with anything else to make sure it doesn't break me out or anything. And it hasn't, and it helps mattify. It's really lightweight on the skin. Really enjoying. Then what else do we have? This Crystal Power Hydro Mist for your skin and soul to get glowing. This stuff smells incredible. It smells like watermelon. I kind of leave this here where I'm recording is my computer, and I leave it, and if my skin's getting dry or if I need like a pick-me-up, I just kind of go like... Smells good, rehydrates the skin, and I've been really enjoying that. Plus, it's infused with crystals, which is really fun because I like rose crystal extracts, it says. Good stuff there. That actually lives there, so I just put it back. Then we have a dry shampoo that I have to review on its own. This is really good. Another powder dry shampoo. This is a perfume with crystals in it. Smells really good. Again, all the Pacifica stuff, I really do have to review a lot of it on its own, but really been liking that brand. If you've tried anything by Pacifica, I want to know what your favorites are so I can see what else I should check out. And last but not least, favorites again by Doll 10. I think these were in my last favorites, so 2 favorites ago. The Hydrolux eyeliners. I have the black one here, and I have one called Brighten Up. With allergy season and my eyes watering like crazy, these are the only things that like stay on my eyes for a really long time that won't wear off. And I especially like this shade called Brighten Up, which is like a cream shade, because you put it on your lower waterline, and if there's any redness, it makes it disappear and it makes you look more awake. So yeah, those are my favorites for the month of April. I'm sorry this got a little bit long. If you watched the whole thing, thank you so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!